Continue. Characteristics of an element. Characteristics of an element. So what are the characteristics of elements, sir? First character is an element is a pure substance. It's made up of only one kind of atoms. An element is a pure substance. An element is a pure substance, and it is made up of only one kind of atoms. Made up of one kind of atoms. One kind of atoms. Except during nuclear reactions. Second one. Except during nuclear reactions. Except nuclear reactions, an element cannot be broken into two or more smaller parts. Except during nuclear reaction, an element cannot be broken into two or more smaller parts. And another point is here, an elements may occur in the free state in nature. It is occurring free state. It is occurring free state in the nature, are found in the form of compounds. In the form of compounds. And one more. First character is, it is a pure substance. It is made up of only one kind of atoms. Except nuclear reactions, an element cannot be broken down into further simpler parts. And third characteristic is, these are available in the free state in the nature, or found in a compound form. An element is available in a free state and as well as a compound form, combined form also. And another character is, some elements can be prepared artificially by the nuclear reactions. Some elements can be prepared artificially in the nuclear reaction. Prepared artificially by nuclear reactions. And another character is the final character. It shows some properties like melting, boiling points, and they are classified into four types: metals, non-metals, metalloids, and as well as noble gases. Okay, these are the major characteristics of an element. Thank you. Some more characteristics of an elements. Some more points are there, characteristics of elements. That is, in the previous class 5 points is completed. Some more characteristics of in elements. There are still some characteristics are there. Nature. The first one is here. Fifth one is nature. Means it is a homogeneous. An element is a pure and homogeneous substance. It is a homogeneous nature. Homogeneous means it is uniformly distributed. Okay, all the particles of an element is same. Homo means same. It is a pure and as well as a homogeneous substance. Homogeneous substance. That is also one of the characteristics of an element. And melting and boiling points. It has some characteristic melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points. Okay, what are the melting and boiling points? It has some characteristic. It has a characteristic melting and boiling points. Characteristics melting and boiling points. And another one is components. Separation of components. Separation of components. Okay, actually, an element cannot be separated by an element cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any physical or chemical methods. An element cannot be broken down or cannot be separated by either physical or chemical methods. And another one is the nature of atoms. Nature of atoms. Actually, nature of atoms here, an element is made up of same kind of atoms. In case different elements are made up of different kind of atoms, same kind of elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Means here an element is made up of the same kind of atoms, different elements are made up of different kind of atoms. And finally, chemical reaction, different elements are chemically combined to produce new substance. Chemical reaction, an element may chemically react with other elements to form a new substance. That is chemical reaction. These are the major characteristics. For example, if you take here an element chemically combine or react to produce a new substance. For example, hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. If you take hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water molecule. These are all chemical reactions. If you take hydrogen combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. Different elements chemically combine to produce new substances. Thank you. Okay, these are the characteristics of an element. Thank you.